Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to UKM Student Talk. Today, we have five of us:
吴昕、肖军博、沈月成、李香林、刘义宏
bringing you this episode. Our topic is the future of the drone industry in 2035. To ensure the professionalism of this podcast, we have done thorough research and held discussions with technology experts and drone industry professionals. We want to share our perspectives with a new generation voice. Our mission is to analyze how drone technology will evolve by 2035, the potential of drone technology in the digital economy and tech-driven industries, how it will reshape operations across various sectors, what new job opportunities will emerge in the drone ecosystem, identify areas likely to undergo major transformation due to drones, and propose recommendations to help Malaysia become an Asian and even global drone hub by 2035. Today, we are stepping into the future of drone aviation. This is not distant science fiction, but a tangible economic reality just 9 years away. First, let us look at how drone technology will evolve by 2035. The single drone manual control, common today, will be a thing of the past. Future drone systems will feature three main characteristics: swarm intelligence, beyond the visual line of sight, BVLOS, autonomous operation, and hydrogen, electric hybrid power. Advances in AI will allow hundreds of drones to work together like a flock of birds, automatically assigning tasks, avoiding conflicts, and completing complex logistics or monitoring missions. 5G and later 6G networks will provide near, real, time-low latency control, while most decisions will be made by onboard edge computing. In terms of endurance, mature hydrogen fuel cells and solid-state batteries will enable small and medium drones to fly for hours or even across cities. Additionally, vertical takeoff and landing cargo drones and air taxis will enter commercial pilots in some cities. In short, by 2035, drones will no longer be rare camera tools, but part of the infrastructure, much like smartphones today. Second, the potential for the digital economy is enormous. Drones can be used in precision agriculture, last-mile delivery, infrastructure inspection, environmental monitoring, and emergency response. In Malaysia, rice transplanting, pesticide, spraying, and fruit picking are currently done by traditional machinery and labor, but drones can replace human labor, spraying pesticide on 15 acres of farmland, which takes humans several hours, might take a drone just 20 minutes. Moreover, drone technology has huge potential to support the digital economy and tech-driven industries. In Malaysia, the digital economy, as share of GDP, is rising, and drones can serve as aerial nodes for data collection, logistics, and environmental sensing. For example, in agriculture, drones can monitor oil palm plantations for pests and diseases in real time, feeding data directly into AI analysis platforms to help farmers apply fertilizer and pesticides precisely. In logistics, drones can deliver medicines, vaccines, and daily necessities to remote areas, such as inland villages in Sabah and Sarawak, dramatically reducing last-mile time and cost. For infrastructure monitoring, drones can automatically inspect Penang Bridge, the Petronas Twin Towers, or solar photovoltaic farms, transmitting images in real time to digital twin systems for predictive maintenance. Combined with blockchain, drones can also be used for land surveying and disaster insurance assessment. In short, drones are not just flying machines, but aerial data platforms capable of activating many digital services. Third, drones will profoundly change how multiple industries operate. Here are a few global and local examples. In Rwanda, drones already deliver blood and emergency medicines to remote clinics, cutting delivery time from hours to under 30 minutes, saving countless lives. In China, Meituan and SF Express have launched routine drone food and parcel delivery in cities like Shenzhen, with customers receiving orders within 15 minutes. In agriculture, Japanese and Malaysian drone companies like Aerodyne have adopted large-scale drone spraying and pesty disease identification for oil palm and rubber plantations, replacing manual walking spraying and achieving tenfold efficiency gains. In construction, drones are used for 3D mapping and site progress monitoring, greatly reducing surveyors and accidents. In insurance, after a car accident or flood, insurers can dispatch drones to capture high-res images, automatically assess damage, and even enable instant claims. In short, any industry requiring seeing, running, or measuring will be reshaped by drones. Fourth, as the drone ecosystem matures, a host of new jobs will emerge. Many think drones only need pilots, but by 2035, the career landscape will be far broader. New roles include drone airspace dispatcher, managing flight paths for thousands of drones in urban low-altitude airspace, avoiding collisions and coordinating takeoff landing, drone data analyst, extracting business insights from millions of daily images, such as crop health indices or pipeline corrosion points, drone automated dock maintenance technician, maintaining drone docks deployed on rooftops, base stations or farms, ensuring battery swaps and SAN, soil calibration, drone regulations and ethics officer, handling compliance, privacy protection, and noise complaints, especially important in dense cities, and drone system integration engineer, integrating drones with existing corporate ERP, logistics or security systems for Malaysian students and workers. Future skills are not just piloting but interdisciplinary abilities, AI basics, data visualization, low-altitude aviation regulations, cybersecurity, and the ability to quickly learn and adapt to new hardware. Vocational schools and universities should now establish programs in drone application technology and low-altitude traffic management. Fifth, identify industry sectors likely to undergo major transformation due to drone proliferation. First is logistics and courier services. Traditional motorcycle and van deliveries will be partially replaced by drones, especially for small, time-sensitive orders. Second is agriculture and plantations. Malaysia has vast oil palm, rubber, and durian plantations. Manual spraying and inspection will gradually be replaced by automated drone operations. Third is public safety and emergency services. Fire departments will equip thermal drones for fire scene reconnaissance. Police will use drones for traffic monitoring and search and rescue. Medical emergencies will use drones to deliver defibrillators or tourniquets ahead of time. Fourth is construction and real estate. Drone surveying will become standard, reducing on-site supervisor demand while increasing data analysis roles. Fifth is media and film. Professional drone cinematography is already common. More ads, sports events, and documentaries will rely on automated follow drones. Insurance, power, and oil and gas inspection will also change profoundly. For workers in these industries, proactively learning drone related skills will be key to staying competitive. Finally, the core of this briefing: what strategic measures and policies should Malaysia adopt to become an Asian and global drone technology hub? We propose 6 specific recommendations. First, establish a national drone test corridor. Designate specific airspace in Johor, Penang, or Kuching to allow companies to conduct real environment tests of BVLOS flight, drone swarms, and nighttime delivery while streamlining approvals. Singapore, Rwanda, and Estonia have attracted many innovative companies through similar regulatory sandboxes. Second, create a national drone R&D fund and manufacturing incentives. Malaysia has a strong electronics and composites base. It should encourage local production of drone airframes, battery modules, and flight control systems rather than relying on imports. Drawing from Shenzhen and Dalian, offer tax breaks and land incentives to attract international drone giants to set up regional R&D centers. Third, build a comprehensive drone talent certification system. The Ministry of Transport and Ministry of Human Resources, together with industry, should introduce tiered licenses from micro-drone operator to urban air mobility dispatcher to drone data analyst. Meanwhile, promote short drone courses at polytechnics and community colleges and host national drone competitions to inspire youth. Fourth, develop ASEAN leading drone regulations. Malaysia can use its 2025 ASEAN chairmanship to push for unified cross-border drone operation standards, including remote ID, electronic geofencing, and data security protocols. Drone solutions successfully tested in Malaysia could then be rolled out across Southeast Asia, creating first-mover advantage. Fifth, promote government, private sector procurement of drone services. Through a drone services package, the government could prioritize large-scale drone solution procurement for the Ministry of Health as remote medicine delivery, the Ministry of Agriculture as crop monitoring, the Fire Department as disaster response, and the Forestry Department as anti-poaching patrols. This would nurture local drone operators while demonstrating drones' social value to the public. Sixth, build a low-altitude digital infrastructure. Deploy drone traffic management systems in major cities nationwide, integrated with existing aviation, radar, and weather networks. Also, encourage telecom companies to build 5G private networks covering urban low-altitude areas, ensuring secure and reliable drone control links. With its solid internet foundation, Malaysia is well positioned to become the first Southeast Asian nation to achieve nationwide low-altitude digital management. To policymakers, investors, and industry partners, the drone industry is not a distant future, but an unfolding transformation. Malaysia enjoys a strategic location, multilingual talent, and a strong government commitment to digital transformation. If we systematically deploy regulations, talent, infrastructure, and industrial policies starting now, by 2035 Malaysia can become a key node on the global drone innovation map, not just importing technology, but exporting solutions. Thank you for listening to Drone Industry Outlook 2035. We look forward to working with you to realize this vision.